Welcome to this video guide on how to easily link your smart refrigerator to the SmartThings or LG ThinQ ecosystems. Linking your fridge allows you to control functions remotely, receive software updates, track energy usage, and view your interior inventory directly from your smartphone. Before you begin, ensure your smartphone's Bluetooth is on and your fridge is powered. Note that these smart appliances require a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and will not support 5 GHz connections. The setup process follows 3 universal steps. First, prepare your phone by enabling sensors, then download the brand-specific application, and finally, trigger the appliance's network protocol to pair it. For Samsung appliances, open the SmartThings app, tap the plus icon to add a device, select the refrigerator category, and scan the QR code located inside the fridge door. If your Samsung model requires manual pairing, press the door alarm button to unlock the panel, then hold the fridge button for 5 seconds until the display shows AP mode. For family hub screens, swipe down on the fridge display, navigate to Settings and Connections, select Easy Connection, and enter the generated PIN code into your SmartThings app. To connect an LG refrigerator, install the LG ThinQ app, tap the plus square on your dashboard, and choose the QR scanner or manual search option to begin. LG appliances broadcast a unique local Wi-Fi network. Select this in your phone's network settings and use the last 4 digits of the network name, typed twice, as your password. This table summarizes the technical differences, such as the specific triggers used for Samsung's AP mode versus the local Wi-Fi broadcast method used by LG. If you encounter connection issues, remember to disable 5 GHz bands. Ensure your router allows local device discovery and grant the application all necessary location permissions. Once connected, your smart fridge ecosystem will help you optimize energy usage, manage food inventory, and monitor your appliance settings with ease.